The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone had a great holiday weekend. And we're ready for a great short week. Markets are moving. Good morning, Mr. G. Happy to be back. Power back on. Those of you that missed me on Friday, talk about that here in a bit. Let me get my music going. Then we will continue on. Hey, Burl. Yeah, well, I slept a lot when the power was out for 3 days, almost 4 days. Hey, JC. See, NQ's moving down here. Let's take a look overnight. ES 44.92 is the high, and you can see huge drop once Europe opened. No, actually, it's before Europe opened. Huge drop. Down to 44.67 for the low. We're at low day right now. It's 25 points in range. NQ. Similar. I was 356 is the high. Low. 255. So about 100 points in range. It's a freak Midwest storm called derecho. Land hurricane. Straight line winds up to 100 miles an hour. And it just took out the entire middle part of Illinois. Over 180,000 people were without power at one point. We'll talk about that in just a minute. Let's just look through the markets, and then I'll go through what I went through on Thursday. So about 120 ticks of range there in copper. Gold up and down. About 9 points of range. Ultra bond falling, making a new daily low as we speak. About 3/4 of a point. And crude oil making a new daily high as we speak. About a little over a point range there. Bitcoin falling as well. Had gotten up to above 31,000. So that's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you choose to take. So yeah, Thursday after I got off stream, it was Thursday, and I knew there was thunderstorms, but I didn't coming. I knew that they were expected, but I didn't realize, and I guess they didn't realize the severity. You know, these storms came out of like Colorado, came across Nebraska, and for some reason they really intensified over Missouri. And you know, it was about noon my time when I heard the severe thunderstorm watch hit, and I started looking at the radar, and just then my friend over in Springfield, which is about 45 minutes away, says, I need a weather update. Everyone comes to me for weather updates because I'm big into weather. And I can look at radar and pretty much tell what it's going to do. And I'm like, I look at this radar and I look at how angry it looks. You see NQ trying to push down here. And I looked down and I'm like, I've seen this pattern before. But it didn't occur to me exactly what it was. It starts popping tornadoes county west for me. And I'm like, yeah, it still didn't click to me that this was a derecho. And then, you know, it was bearing down, and I expected a bad thunderstorm. I didn't really realize what was happening, and I heard literally one thunder, just one thunder. The lights dimmed for like a second, came back up, and then just like that, gone. Power went out. And I had no idea at that point in time the destruction that this thing had caused. I thought, you know, every now and then we get a power outage, be out for an hour or two. But I started looking at the outage map and realizing that it was pretty horrible. And yeah, and so yeah, I was out from about 1 p.m. Thursday until about 11 a.m. on Sunday. It was not fun. Lost all the food in my fridge and my freezer. About 150 bucks worth of food. Couldn't work, couldn't trade. Just sat there stewing in my own sweat because there was no AC. I said I was still kind of lucky in the fact that some people were still out as of like yesterday morning. It looks like the entire part of Decatur is now back. There's no more outages on the outage map, but we are expected to get more storms later today, so you never know. So we're watching NQ fall. We've been falling, like I said, most of the night. Tried to do a pullback, coming down again now. See where we go from here. Yeah, it was no fun. I had, because there was no way to heat and cook anything. So I was eating anything in the fridge that didn't go bad yet. I had water, but I not really because I don't eat much in the way of dry storage foods. I'm mostly carnivore, so it's like I don't really keep. I mean, so news this morning. Oops. As Mr. G said, we do have FOMC meeting minutes this afternoon, 2 Eastern. This morning we have U.S. factory orders month over month popping at 10 o'clock. Hey, Leonardo, how's it going? Also, this morning we'll be talking about Top Step and their changes. They have another one coming, apparently announced at 9 o'clock. Some sort of something with their payout policy. Michael Patak will be live on Top Step's YouTube channel, and we're gonna try and cover that. Yep, I agree with that. That I'm not sure where crypto is going to end up. Seeing a bunch of exchanges, crypto exchanges are leaving Canada. Purple candle here. Do we want to take it? We might if it sticks. So, did everybody enjoy their holiday weekend? Up. I gotta stop that night bat. The 70% off the end of day is no longer in effect for Bull and Ox. 90% off the option 1 on Bull and Ox is still active. This 90% off on Apex still active. Excuse me. Big Top Step sale as well. Morning, Imad. How are you? Bounced up here. UB. Wading into the world of the Ultra Bond. CFT's domain. We're popping back up. Be interested to see what happens this morning if we rebound from the sell-off, if we continue selling off. I seen they were pretty close to a deal. Uh, so I have a feeling they're going to work it out. I think UPS realizes that they're going to screw themselves if they let them strike. I'm always in the favor of labor. That's a hard one because you can't really put students first unless you put teachers first because you need good teachers in order to teach the students. Here's a purple candle. Got about a minute and a half on it. We'll see if it sticks. If it does, we'll take it. Back up just a tad. No, that I missed, G. Strikes all around. Hey Juan, how you doing? Still coming down. Down, down, down. Glad to hear that one. JC, how's that ICT stuff doing for you? Yeah, blue candle or trying. So for the prop traders that are here in the audience, what did you think of Top Step's big changes that were announced? If you unaware, Top Step on Sunday announced going to one step only on their evaluation. Plus, it's probably the easiest evaluation now in the business. Vertunis, I'm wondering if that might be changing today, though. They announced that Michael Potok, founder and CEO of Top Step, will be going live on YouTube 9 a.m. Central with a big announcement about their payout policy. So I'm thinking either that, which you just pointed out, is going to change, or the only being able to take out 50% is going to change. But we'll see. I'm hoping that somebody can watch that stream for me, because I can't stream and watch another stream. It just messes me up. Uh, uh, Vertunis, I do agree, but I mean the $200 is a better consistency rule than with like Apex, where if you have one huge day, it totally throws off your consistency. Um, where you need to keep having huge days. I mean the $200 isn't really a consistency rule. It's just a threshold that you got to reach. So, like, I mean, the fact that, if you don't reach $200 in a day, it doesn't really knock you off. You just need an additional day. Gee, let me get your link. Hold on one sec. Everyone, check out Mr. G's YouTube channel, Winning Wall Street's Money. Link's being posted now. Posts a lot of good information about the stuff we trade. It's good for both day traders and if you, actually like swing trade or whatever. Um, you know, let me put it this way: I like Top Step's way of doing it better than Apex or the others that are now doing consistencies in the funded. Because let me give you a for instance here of a friend who is up about $4,000 on his funded account. Well, let me put it this way: he put in for a $4,000 payout. It was denied because he scratch traded too many days because he can only trade a certain amount of days a week because he works. It was like 16-hour days, like 2 or 3 days of the trading week. So he was scratch trading that in order to get in the minimum number of days, the 10 days. They denied his payout. And then they denied his payout again because, again, they said he had scratched too many days after the first one. So he got denied twice. Like I said, he was up, he was putting about $4,000. So he was trading one day, and he thought he switched over to Sim, took a trade in Sim, walked away he had to do something with his kid, came back, and that Sim trade went against him, but the problem was it wasn't on his Sim account. He actually had it on the funded account, and he lost it all on that trade because he thought it was a Sim. If he had been on the Top Step program, he would have been approved for that payout, no problem. If he had been on Earn a Trade or Blue Sky or a bunch of the others, he would have gotten the payout, and that would have never happened. Now, I mean, obviously, these things happen. I've taken a trade when I thought I was on Sim on live on on an evaluations account. So it's just these funding companies are just I don't like those consistency rules with Apex or the others that say your biggest day can't be and you can't be scratch trading to get in your 10 days or whatever between payouts. It just that is more detrimental to me in my opinion than Top Step just saying you can only get a payout if you've hitting $200 a day. Making more changes themselves to make things more trader friendly. It's gonna be interesting to see whether Apex responds to this see if they might come out maybe with an end of day account, which would be awesome, or if they make changes to their payout policies and things. Hey, Robin, how was your 4th of July? 250 basis points. Wow. Hey, Matt. Matt says hello to Robin before he says hello to me. Ox would be happy too. I haven't had steak in. Let's see. I don't think I've had a steak now in 13 years. Ever heard of Kevin's Natural Foods? Hey, John, how you doing? The oil market hasn't seemed real balanced on any of these cuts. I'm doing all right. I took one trade yesterday on no Monday on Earn to Trade. Had a winner there. Of course, I couldn't trade on Friday because I didn't have power. Market's kind of lethargic right now. We sit a little less than an hour from the bell. John, did you ever decide if you were going to pick up another account from one of the futures props? I have a link. Absolutely. Give me 1 second. Yep, give me 1 second while I find my top step information among my 50 tabs I have open. Don't judge me. Give me a second. There we go. There you go, John. Are anybody's interested in Top Step? There's the linky link. And touch the EMA there and coming back down. Definitely no oomph right now. It's almost like a Monday. See if we get some oomph after the bell or leading up to it. Gold found some oomph. Wow, nice little bump there. About 3 points. Yes, John. I'm not sure. I gotta look at the exact time, but yeah. Well, no, 3:45. Nah, wait. No, not 3:45 Eastern. It would be after 4 Eastern. I think it's like 4:10. But you know what? I'm not even sure that's still in effect because they're saying one. I don't know if that rule's still around. Let me see. That's a good question. But it'll be definitely. I mean, I always make sure all my trades are closed by 3 Central, 4 Eastern on all the props, just because it seems like after that kind of dies anyway. I have to find out about that rule though. It's a good point. I mean, I know you'll have to have. I don't know if they will automatically close your thing now. It was like with Apex. If you're still in a trade by the end of the day, they'll automatically just close it out, and it doesn't fail you. I don't see this rule anymore, so I need to figure out how they do that now. It's a good question, John. Hopefully, I can find out about that. Hey, Borneo. I will try and see if I can find out, John. Um, get back to you on that. I mean, I hate their whole one rule thing because technically there's more than one rule. You have the consistency rule and you have the don't hate your drawdown rule. And technically, even though it doesn't fail you, the daily loss is a rule. So I hate that slogan, the one rule thing. That sale does go for a couple weeks, John, so you got time on it. And I'll see what I can find out. I'll ask on their Discord. They have a very active Discord. I'll ask there later on. They also have an announcement coming up in a little over an hour about another change to their payout policy that they make sound like it's going to be good for the trader. They're doing that live. We'll find out what else they have in store for us. Why am I staring at gold? Ultraviolet came down at its open. Hey, Casey! There you go. Casey is a Top Step. I think it says Casey. That's a Top Step employee. If not, I'm just guessing that's someone that really knows Top Step, but I'm pretty sure that's Casey from Top Step. Oh, maybe that's not the same Casey from. I'm confused. I used to deal with a Casey from Top Step. So that's good. That's another great thing there that you no longer fail for uh, if you don't close. I think most of the props have done that now. Unfortunately, it's another thing. Earn to trade still has not stopped. I'm not sure what Blue Sky does. I gotta ask Blue Sky on that one as well. But yeah, I'm really excited about Top Step. I'm really impressed with their changes. Yeah, I mean that's yeah. It's definitely a benefit to the trader. It's interesting that more props started to go with because I don't think that's something like even a regular brokerage would do for you. I think they would just try and charge you the maintenance margin on it. But I don't know. I've never had a regular brokerage account to really know how that works. Right. Yep. End of day max loss limit, aka end of day drawdown, is what's interesting though. I much prefer an end of day drawdown or that's had a dumb meeting. Shouldn't you be having smart meetings? Big pop up here in the blue. Um, I like Bolinox was running the 70% off the end of day and 90% off the intraday trailing, and so it's only like a less than $10 difference on the 50K account. But I was looking at my stats, and I did 68 sales on the intraday trailing, 90% off, and only one sale on the end of day. That really shocked me. I thought for sure that with that little of a difference, people will be flocking to the end of day, and they just weren't. That extra $6 or $7 just swerved them to that 90% off instead. Hey Andrew, how you doing? Yeah, even though it's harder, people just see the discount amount and don't even think. It's kind of like I just told this story in the Discord talking about the same subject. Way back when in the 90s, some of you probably weren't even alive then. I worked at a McDonald's. We had an owner that was really cheap. He ran an ad in the paper with a coupon for apple pies for 79 cents. That week we sold 3 times more apple pies than normal, even though the regular price of the apple pies was 79 cents. And Q back up to 15,278. ES at 44.69. So right now, the overall thing right now, the whole prop firm industry is it's a great time to be a prop trader. It really is. Um, there's great competition, and you can see that Top Step is, pardon the pun, stepping up, and it's exciting. I worked with Top Step last year, but I couldn't get anything rolling with them, unfortunately. It was just hard. They were started making the changes, and it was exciting, but I kept hearing as long as they had the 2 steps, I'm not interested, and I kept hearing that. And now, and then they come out. like I said, in my opinion, their evaluation is now the most trader friendly. I kept saying easiest, and it's not a good term because there's trading is still hard. So it's the most trader friendly evaluation in my opinion now. End of day drawdown. Only one rule fails you, and 4 days is all you need if you're can do it with the consistency rule. But no one should ever rush to try and just do it in 4 days. There's no reason to rush like that. But if you can, then it's a good thing. I mean, I've never understood the whole minimum trading days thing with the consistency rule. There's no purpose to open and closing a micro trade. A 1 sec, it doesn't prove anything for the trader. It doesn't prove anything for the company. It doesn't prove anything. It just delays getting getting the funding going, and there's no purpose to it. So I do think consistency rules are good. I know they're some traders hate them. Um, but I do think you shouldn't just be able to YOLO your way to an evaluation. To a funded account. So I actually favor consistency rules. As we're starting to pop up here, I don't know, I probably should have taken that blue candle, but I'm here kind of ranting. Not really ranting, but preaching maybe? I don't know. But I think the consistency rule. But like Earn the Trade had the. I think they were like one of the first ones with a consistency rule, if not the first one. I'm not sure. But yet they still require 15 days. You can get to your target in 4 days, but they require 15 days traded. So if you can get to your target in 4 days, you got to sit there and open and close a micro trade for 9 days. No, 11 days. There's that early morning math for you. 11 days. What does that solve? What does that prove? So that would have been a winning trade if I had taken it. Well, I mean, I would have went for more. I wouldn't go for 10 points there. See if it gets there. But so yeah, Top Step is definitely the most exciting thing to happen in the industry in the last few months. Waiting to hear back from Top Step. I have seen if they want to work with me again on some things. Certainly not a Patrick Wieland. Who I find most people find to be kind of obnoxious. I've never watched him stream. I watched a video or two of his back when he was doing his stocks. I know he liked to really bag on Ross Cameron, and Ross Cameron deserves it, but that's all I ever saw in him. Patrick, I mean, like I said, I've only ever watched videos of him, and the fact I never watched a live stream of him. I haven't heard good reviews. I guess in one video he was talking about how he just got out of jail in Hawaii or something. I don't like the fact, of course, that he sells a course for, I think, $499. You know, anyone that's selling courses for that much money, in my opinion, you got to wonder how much money they're making from trading versus whatever. Not, you know, I'm not against selling courses if they're reasonably priced. Um, but when you see $500, I don't know. Obviously, I haven't bought this course to see what's in it, but I find that most stuff that's in people's courses can be found for free. Now, I mean, yeah, it's all curated in one thing, but the whole course selling thing definitely puts me off. Oh, he charges for his Discord too? I didn't even see that. I haven't looked that much into it. I'm going on what I've heard from other people. Very annoying, very outlandish. Uh, trades with big size, which there's nothing wrong with trading big size, but it seems like one other people that it sounds like he you know likes to be flashy in how he trades. I don't know. I've always heard that successful trading is supposed to almost be boring. But I mean, if he's a successful trader, and like he seems to be, I can't obviously I have nothing to say there because I'm not a consistently successful trader at this point. So I mean, I'm not putting the guy down. I'm just reiterating what I'm hearing from other people. The flashy, like he has a video up about day trader's life on the weekends or something like that, where the thumbnail has a girl in a bikini and all that, and it's that type of stuff is the stuff that it hooks the people that think that it's like this easy get rich quick type of thing and flashy, and it's just I could be making $1 million a day trading, and I would never do videos like that. It's just like it doesn't help. I mean, there's nothing wrong with doing a little bit of dream provoking, letting people dream, but I know some people are really into the whole love a Lamborghini, love a mansion, love, to be a high flying whatever vacationing, etc. But for the most people, they're just looking to get out of their job and to get some life back, get their time back. Be able to trade a couple hours a day, make enough money where they can focus on their family or focus on a nonprofit or focus on sleeping in a hammock in the afternoon or whatever. And I think that's what traders should be trying to promote is, you know, that step by step that maybe you become ultra wealthy, but more likely your goal is just, at least at first, to just replace whatever it is that you're doing now. And for the most part, buying a $500 course or some courses I've seen are thousands of dollars, like Ross Cameron and Matt Az and all those. It isn't going to get you anywhere closer to those goals. blue candle. We will take this one if it holds. And just like, if it's really $5 for his Discord, if he's that successful trading, why is he nickel and diming? I don't understand that at all. The only thing I could see that is it would help eliminate bots, but you could do that for $1. Also, sometime this week, I'm going to be starting a video series comparing the different prop firms and different attributes. We're going to start with commissions. I was going to record the video last night for the comparison of the prop firm commissions of the 12 major props for ES and NQ minis. But I couldn't record last night because the neighbors were enjoying 4th of July so much that it sounded like my house was under heavy artillery fire. So decided to postpone that. So I'll probably record it tonight, assuming the Phillies game doesn't go really late. And maybe that'll be up tomorrow. Plan on doing, one for ES and NQ, then one for micro ES and NQ, then we'll do one for crude oil and one for gold. I'm not sure there's a need for agriculture and currencies, but maybe we'll do that too. My Top Step video went very well. Got the most views I ever got in 24 hours for a new video. Hoping to be able to grow the channel some more. Putting out some more generalized information about the various props. Hopefully be useful as well. Because commissions, commissions are an important thing. There's a huge range. I was surprised. The most expensive commissions for a round turn of the 12 major props is $5.58, and the cheapest is $3. So that's a difference of $2.58 a round turn for each contract. And over 100 contracts, that's over 100 trades, I should say. If you're trading 100 contracts over 100 trades, or 100 contracts over 50 trades, two at a time, whatever, that's a big difference. Thank you, John. Yeah, and I did that in a hurry too, because I knew about the Top Step changes. I got the email as an affiliate. I want to say last Wednesday. So I knew about it. I had all these plans doing up this video, and then I lost power. And I lost power Thursday through Sunday through Sunday morning, and I'm like, my power literally came back up about a half an hour before Top Step announced their change. Actually made it public. So I didn't get the, I was gonna have the video ready to go as soon as they made public. It didn't, but it takes a long time to put those graphics together. Probably takes me longer than most people. I don't know. I can't seem to be quick at it. So it ended up about 8 hours after the launch. I need to hire a graphics department. By hire, I mean work for free. The recording of the video doesn't take long. It's making up the various graphics. So we're at top of the hour, pulling back here. Gonna watch this candle, this red candle that's forming after this blue candle. If it comes back up, we're gonna grab it. We're gonna jump in there, but we're gonna wait for it to show me it wants to. Does it wanna? Energy says market just open. After we see what we want to do with this candle, we'll check those. They do allow 3 accounts. That's a great question as well, John, about on TradingView. I've never had a situation where I had multiple accounts on TradingView or Tradovate for any prop. I've had it on Rhythmic, but not on TradingView. So I'm not sure. I know TradingView has Tradovate has a trade copier built into it, but I don't know how it works. I've never played with it. Another great question. Again, if Casey's not still here, I will look to find out. Good, I got some time on that one then. But these are great questions that, you know, one of the videos I have in my mind to do is who allows trade copiers and who doesn't, and how do they work. So it's not a bad thing for me to find out. The Top Step's pretty easy to find stuff out on. I can just jump over to the Discord. They didn't ban me like Elite Trader Funding did. My dear folks, if you're enjoying the stream today, I'm happy I'm back and have power. Appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Going long here. Oh, oops. Now you can see my trade. Went long as soon as we got back up to that candle there. We're going to move our stop to the low of that candle there. And let's see what we get. Borneo, right now their 50K account is $49. It's their deepest sale I think ever. They say, yeah, they don't run sales often, but yes, right now 50K account is $49. Down a little bit. Let's see. We're kind of choppy. Let's see where this goes from here. I don't know where it's going. Oop, put one back. Oil. Seems like we hit resistance there. Let's see if it bounces back up off that EMA. Hey, Ace, how you doing? Now, did your trash go yesterday, or did you have to remember to put it out today since yesterday was a holiday? I am MightyOxTrading and Trash Reminder Service. They're stepping up. 20 minutes till the bell. Did you have a good 4th of July weekend, Ace? Good. Nice. I'm long on NQ, so hopefully they keep going up together here. So happy together. Oh, sorry. There we go. Looking for 10, but it's kind of getting stuck here. Maybe not. Come on. Two more ticks. Two more ticks. Are you kidding me? Three more ticks? Five more ticks? Well, that sucks. 90, 92. I need 93 half. 92 half. There we go. Target hit. Great way to start the week. $200 win. Ding, 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 ding. Now that's a bell sound, not the cash sound. There we go. Nice ace. Both. Oh, so you're still in the trade, ace? Yeah, a lot more e-commerce now than back in '97. That would be not be a good thing. Up. Well, I could have got more, but I'm not unhappy yet. That said, I should have got in on this candle instead of that candle, but hey. And I also am under a constantly trailing drawdown, so I have to be careful with my targets. Came right up to that 100 EMA and bounced off. Nice job, John. That was one of the calmest trades that I took. I'm not often calm with my trades, but that was like a nice little rise up. Everything looked good for all the crap I look at there on my screen. job is. So up $200 on the day. 194 after commission. Great way to start the day. Gold's going to the moon. Gold is going to the moon. Look at that. Whoosh. And continuing to go. Playing in the bands. That's going to pull back. iMatt must be distracted by work, or he would have pointed that out. Ultra bonds bouncing. Crude oil. Oh, crude oil's heading up too. Nearing 72. Nice little rise. Copper's having fun as well. Sounds like we're doing well today. Ace got a win. John got a win. I got a win. We are about 7 minutes till the bell. No Crypticon yet today. No RJ yet. Back up. Back up and tell me, do you love me forever? I want to thank everyone for joining me today. I hope everyone's having a great day. Remember to join us in chat. Say hi. Questions and comments are always welcome. Oh, there's RJ. I swear he waits for me to say RJ is not here yet for him to say hello. Did you get the new computer yet, RJ? Or a fixed computer or whatever they're doing to that darn computer. Oh wow. Yeah, I literally just said RJ's not here yet. So kind of lost a little bit of oomph there after that nice little rise up. Interesting, looking at YM really didn't have that same rise there. Blue candle here, but right before the bell, we're not going to mess with it. Overall, so far, you can see we've been coming down, but now we've had a couple pullbacks. It's just to see where we go at the bell. Oh, yeah, crude's continuing to go up as well. It's been a while since we've been this high on crude, since June 22nd. Not that long of a while, I guess, then. Gold, pull back. We are less than a minute to the bell. Ten seconds. 10. Just 1 second. Oh, ding, 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 ding. Big move up here. Boom. 21 points. ES up to up 3. Dow up 16. Boom. Still going. Back up to 15,320. ES up to 44.75. Gold. Big pullback. Excuse me 1 second. Sorry about that. Back. Excuse me. About that. We're up 35 points. ES is up 3.5. 41 points now. Big move up. Oh my God. 5 points. ES up 4.25. Now still way off the highs today. It's gained back a little bit here. The NQ's gained more than ES has. NQ the high day on NQ 356. So we're only like 20 points off the high on NQ. As this candle's reached 45 points. Oh, no, I just didn't expect this burst. The agriculture, look at that burst. 23 points on soybeans. Wow. 133 ticks on soybean oil? Crude pulls back a tad. Ultra bond bouncing up. Copper still going. And gold, big pull down. Well, should have taken that blue candle there. John DeFore, did you get filled on gold? Did you said you had a short order in, right? The 5 minute candle closed up 38 and quarter. ES 5, YM 42. Seeing some red now in the pullback. One for one today, up 200 bucks. 194 after commissions. Let's see. Still going. Trying to get that high day on Q. ES is still well off its high day. As the hard drive fries, so are the PCs of our life. Two more minutes. Kind of hanging here around 43.45. ES up to 44.78. See how much more oomph this got. Oomph, there it is. uh, we do have coming up at the top of the hour, U.S. factory orders month over month. It shows as a red folder. Yeah, I agree with Ace there. I mean, it's not like they can't run. You know, they should be able to just rush out a new computer for him, and then make the repairs on the one he sent back, and put that one up to sale for somebody else. That's that's what I would consider good customer service. Excuse me. Excuse me one second. Going. I think we just hit high day. No, 50. It's a tick off. Tick off the Asia high. There we go. Now we're at high day. Look at this run. So Europe's like, we're going to sell this off. We don't want this high. America's like, sorry, no discounts. Yeah, 373 the high on NQ. Wait, is that the high? Yeah. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, it's still going. Look at this candle. This is a 95 point hourly candle now. ES 13 and a quarter. ES now up to 44.81. Still 10 points off its high, overnight high. But NQ looking like it wants to try and get up to 15.4. Why am not showing the same kind of strength as the other two? I mean, it's green, but not as green. .382 is now the high. Yes, still going up to 44.83. Pulling back just a tad. Just a tad. $15 till that news, factory order news. Also, about 15 minutes until Top Step makes another announcement via their pay. I mean, on YouTube about their payout policy. Another rise, another push up. It's straight up green. $44.84, 44.85 now, and he has 40. There's 15,392 on NQ. Yeah, I honestly, I mean, I had no reason to think one way or the other, but I just thought that they're going to continue to sell off just because I keep thinking that this whole rally is a little irrational. But I was wrong, and that's why I just play what I see and not what I think, or I try to anyway. So, last, so on Monday, we hit 15,392, so we just broke that. Back on the 16th of June, we hit 475. That's our high of a year. There's a pullback. 395 new high. ES pulling back to 44.82. So the market said, well, you may close us on the 4th, but we want some fireworks anyway, and decided to blow up. Pull back on crude. Ultra bonds all kind of wonky. Gold. That was a big, big pullback. I hope John got some of that. Ooh, and soybeans gave a bunch back. Might have found their top here. Interesting. I have the top step. The YouTube up. Someone asked how many people get to the point of cashing out, and they answered 22, approximately 22%. Sorry, I got kind of hung up there. We are pulling back here. Part of me says I should have taken a short off of that candle. That was a beautiful reversal candle. Although I don't have a lot of luck playing reversals, so I kind of stay away. Uh-oh. Order filled. What? What just happened? Well, apparently I didn't race an order somewhere. Or I accidentally placed an order? I'm not even sure. I'm in a short. And I'm out of the short because it's pulling back. So I just gave away most of my profit. I have no idea where that order came from. I didn't have an order set. And I don't have any hotkeys. I don't know why that placed that order. So most of my profit just went away, if not all of it. Yeah, I'm down $1.16 now. And I have no idea where that order came from. I probably should have just stayed in the trade because I feel it's going to come down, but the order would have showed on screen here. So I have no idea how that order placed. I wasn't even on the Tradovate wasn't even my top window. I literally, the only reason I knew I was in that trade is because I heard it say order filled. And looks like it was good I did get out. But that sucks because I lost my profit now for the day. Was feeling good. It popped back up to 87, so I would have needed to have a 20-point stop on that trade that I didn't even try to take. I still don't know where it came from because that's just weird. It should have. I have no idea. Remember, we have news coming up at the top of the hour. U.S. factory orders. And remember that anyone that's trading into the afternoon, FOMC meeting minutes today at 2 Eastern. How you doing, Sid, by the way? I didn't even think to say hi. How was your weekend? Sounds like a busy weekend. Okay, I'm going to turn the volume on this top step thing. Try and listen as we watch the market pull back now. Wait, Sid, are you building your house? Oh, we did pull back. Now we're seeing some green. Michael Patak is late. Oh, nope. 30 seconds. Well, they got cool graphics. I need their graphic people. Awesome. Blue candle. Do I want to take this? It's pretty awesome to watch your own house get built there, Sid. So, still watching. By the way, the numbers on U.S. factory orders 0.3. Expected was 0.8. So that was a pretty big miss. Watching the Top Step thing. They're not having announced what's going on yet. So we're kind of like sideways here right now. This kind of sideways. How's anybody else in anything right now? Looking for my opportunity to try and get my profit back from whatever caused that trade to happen. Just kind of hanging here. I was happy with my one win until I'm torqued about. I have no idea why that order happened. It's like I can't explain it at all, and uh, it's frustrating. Continuing to move up, trying to get up to that 15,400, but we're just. You can see here in the 1 minute chart is we're just sideways. Shame, bro. Making you work. Where are we going? Y'all need to retire. I think we're coming down. I don't know. This is just ugly here now. They move up and then, gah. Look at gold gave everything back. Michael Patak is hammering intraday trailing drawdown right now. Okay, the big change in their payout policy is you can request 100% of your top step profits after 30 winning days. Hold on, let me just make sure I'm clarifying. I'm watching right now. Give me 1 sec. Okay, so after 30 winning days, instead of only being able to take out half of your profits, you'll be able to take out 100% of your profits. That doesn't need to be 30 consecutive winning days. I don't think. Yeah, no one has 30 consecutive. So yeah, so after 30 days where you have a profit, you can request 100% of your profits instead of the 50% after 5 days. Well, they actually said something earlier. A, a big stat. Someone asked them how many people make it to payout, and it was 22%. And I missed this blue candle. Darn it. But yeah, 22%. Only 22% ever make it to taking out a payout. What would have been a winning trade. But that's okay. They the person asked, hold on, uh, how many get to the point of cashing out, and they responded approximately 22%. No, it says 22% of the funded traders actually get to a payout. Oh, by the way, the top step discount that's going right now is a lifetime discount. So if you don't pass in the first month, it goes to the second month. Oh yeah, and also, by the way, the top step also they refund your last month of your subscription when you pass. So if you pass in the first month, it's like a free eval. Look at this. We've broken 400. We've broken 410. ES up to 4487. So we're back up to 413. So, I mean, this is just kind of, I mean, ES has still not gotten back up to its high of Asia. But you can see NQ, we're the highest we've been now since that we hit that high of the year on the 16th. Tesla leading that charge, you can see. Right, exactly, Burl. Now, you got to understand that number includes people that just YOLO everything, the gamblers, the people that don't try to learn, the people that expect it to be get rich quick or expect it to be easy. Yeah, it's still going. Mad I missed this. Mad, very mad. But there'll be more opportunities. Going back just a tad. Oh wow, there's no scaling plan in the eval anymore. There is still a scaling plan on the funded, but no scaling plan on the eval. Sorry I'm not talking as much because I'm kind of listening, streaming, trading all at the same time. Apologize. I could just turn on my computer volume. We could all listen to Top Step with me. So we're just kind of sitting here. Nice move up then again. Now it's kind of hemming around 415 to 410 to 415. ES 44.87. Getting closer to that high day, which is 44.92. If anyone has any questions about anything with the new Top Step stuff, I can probably pretty much answer everything besides that trade copier question that John asked her. $416 new high. ES still trying as well. Dow not showing that same strength. Amazing hourly chart there. So we're watching. See if there's any other opportunities here. Just watching. $15,422. I don't think anyone thought we would see these numbers today. But we have, and 44.88 on ES. How's everyone else doing? So, sorry, watching this, I'm not sure I'm learning anything new now. 415. Wow, look at soybean oil still going. I thought after that big candle you're going to see a pullback, and it pulled back just slightly, and boom. But soybean meal dying, corn dying. Ooh, excuse me, I let it burp out. I apologize. Natural gas kind of dying there. Another blue candle, but it's just forming now. It's got almost 5 minutes on it. 30 minutes left to go in the stream. Oh, they're going to talk about micros here. Another blue candle. So, do I want to take this? We're already pretty extended. If we do, we're gonna go for one candle. 2 minutes to go on this candle. So, Top Step says that micros, which right now are not equal 10 to 1 with their system, because their system was put into place before micros ever existed. But Fatak says it will finally be right in quarter 3 or quarter 4. They're working on the programming now. Pulling back tad. Oh, yeah, I already missed. Yeah, I'm just totally not. I was trying to listen to this and I'm missing trades. I think they've told us everything, and then this was me trying to figure out everything for you guys. This should have been 2 wins here, so I gotta get better at that. I'll blame Top Step today. This would have been two 10-point wins at least now that I missed. I should be up 400 today. And I was taking trades today too without hesitation. But, yeah, whatever. You all got really quiet too, just like I did, but I mean, you all can talk. Reminder, so as of now, the Apex and the Volanox 90% sales are due to end tomorrow at midnight. The Top Step sales go to Sunday the 16th. Earn the Trades sale goes until tomorrow, I believe. So, eh. Some missed opportunities. Too much multitasking. So yeah, you see after these blue candles, this nice rise up. I said if I take it, I was going to take one candle, and so far this candle's 14, and it's about to close in 30 seconds. So, eh. So 14.5 is the high on NQ. ES 44.90.75 still has not hit Asia high on ES. We blew it away on NQ. Dow's coming back up a little bit, but Dow's really been the laggard today. Pulling back just a tad. Pulling back. So, everybody green today? I promise we'll be talking more tomorrow. This is just following this Top Step news. Pretty good day, John. And now we're seeing some purple. This is why I said one candle. When you start getting up this high, it's like one candle feels right. Even here, one candle with a great win, and I mean it could go up further, but you know, good. See, we're pulling back now. This is almost a 20-point candle down. Might have found their top. Now, I've said that before. Oh, wow. It was doing so well. Sorry to hear that, John. Okay, I'm going to kill this stream of Top Step. It's actually pretty entertaining. There we go. Okay, so also their Express Funded, which is their live sim, they have a $20,000 limit on that, and then you get moved up to live, but you can be moved up to live earlier than that. So, it's like here we're trying to pull back. We're going to break back under 15,400. Gold, new daily low after that big move up earlier. Copper, big pullback. Ultra bond looks ugly. Crude pulling down. Natural gas falling. Soybean and oil might have found the top. And there's 15,400. Pulling up, back up a bit. And watching. Pulling back above 15,400. Big blue candle there on the 1 minute chart. At least on one of my 1 minute chart. Was it on? No, it's a. What the heck am I looking at? Yeah, I'm looking at a 1 minute. Blue candle formed on the NinjaTrader chart, but didn't on the. It's weird. That's weird. Here at 15,404. Yes, it's pulled back to 44.86. Okay, it's trying to see that quick. It's trying to send a blue candle again. We'll see what happens. 10 minutes to go. One down, so blue candle went away that quick. Back down to 15,390. $389. Back up to 394. ES sitting at 44.86. Candle would have been a good one to take. I considered it. I had considered it because you notice the indicator I have down there of the big green mountains. You can see how even though we were higher up, the mountains were smaller. So some divergence there that kind of told me that would probably be a good one to start taking short. But I'm still watching that. That's kind of new for me, so I didn't go for it yet. But building knowledge, building knowledge. Also putting some groceries away, so I am multitasking. Because I am the ox, and I'm good like that. Yes, they are. And I'm dropping things. Yeah. Please excuse the noise. But I had to get groceries after losing all that after all that food from the power outage. I had to get groceries back in the house. Lost about $150 worth of refrigerated and frozen stuff, which is really sucks. Really sucks. But as they say, it is what it is. Yeah, I really don't like trailing stops either. They always seem to get hit. Now, profit targets depending, because sometimes I'll set a profit target up way higher just in case it hits it like out of a fluke. But or I'm just not fast enough to get it, and then I lose out on money because I didn't hit the button fast enough. Give me a blue candle here again. Plus, I'm using accounts that have a constantly trailing drawdown, so using a profit target, at least for me, is better because if it goes 200, I don't close it, and it pulls back to 100, then I've lost drawdown even though it was a winning trade. Probably not. I mean, maybe I'll trade. I won't trade the actual event, but I might trade the aftermath. But lately, the meeting minutes seem to be a really choppy event. It's a nice candle here. Unfortunately, our stream's coming to an end. I don't know if this is one of those fake outs, or it's going to continue higher. Pulls back toward the end of the candle. Yeah, it sounds like a fun routine, John. Nothing wrong with that. It's what most people, I think, strive to do. Trade the mornings. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be more focused tomorrow when I'm not trying to listen to the Top Step thingy. Ending the day down $1.16. Should have. I missed 2 trades listening to the Top Step thing. So it should have been like a $400 or $600 day because the only loss I took was that. I don't know why that took that trade. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.